Are you tired of opening up your DTF business only to troubleshoot for hours? Are overdue orders piling up while you attempt to repair your printer?
There's gotta be a better way.
There is! Introducing the all-new Mimaki TxF150-75, a revolutionary new advancement in DTF printing technology. Say goodbye to tedious maintenance, overcomplicated upkeep, and constant tinkering. The Mimaki takes care of almost everything. With never-before-seen features like its automatic white ink circulation, a 32-inch printing area, and a startup and print procedure so easy, anyone can do it. And Mimaki's newest and greatest achievement, the nozzle recovery system and nozzle check unit. This is a game changer, but don't take my word for it.
Hi, I'm Nathaniel Paid Actor, and as a certified print scientist, I can confirm that this is indeed a game changer.
This revolutionary technology ensures that even if there's a clog, you won't have a backlog. The Mimaki just keeps printing. Still not convinced? Just listen to what this actual DTF Superstore customer has to say.
Hi, my name is Sarah Anstein. I am the owner and operator of Hit It Branding. We did our research before purchasing and we ended up purchasing our Mimaki. It's a great machine for us because we actually run it once or twice a week, maybe sometimes 3. I do a lot of traveling, so I'm not here all the time. I do my test prints almost every single time it comes out perfect. We've been very impressed with the machines. Again, super low maintenance, and the colors are amazing. These are just a couple of prints that we've done recently. We really love it.
With actual real-life stories like that, it's no wonder they're disappearing from our warehouse.
But what about setup?
I'm glad you asked. From purchase to print, you don't have to lift a finger. Our Mimaki certified technicians will come to your location and install your new Mimaki for free. Trade up to Mimaki with DTF Superstore today and turn your DTF size into DTF highs.
Thanks, DTF Superstore.
Thanks, DTF Superstore!
Can you fix my printer?
I'm not a real scientist.